back, cat babes. So today's video is going to be a sewed shut mouth. So all you want to do is you want to start off by putting Vaseline on your face or some form of primer so that the liquid latex doesn't really irritate your skin. So go ahead and go in with liquid latex and then any toilet paper or tissue paper that you have, and then just lay that over your mouth and make a few layers because you want it to be thick enough that when you cut it that you have thick enough layers to put the twine through in order to make it look real. So here I'm just going over each layer. It will take a few minutes to dry if you just let it air dry. So if you want it to speed up, you will have to go in with a blow dryer and blow dry it dry. Just because I think I did like 6 to 7 layers of this and I had to use a blow dryer. Just giving tips to make things a little easy for you guys. And then going in with any foundation that you have, just go ahead and put that all over your covered mouth so that way it semi-matches your skin tone. And then going in with any scissors, just be careful not to cut yourself because you definitely could do that with this and that wouldn't feel good. So then you just want to cut out a mouth shape. And then going in with black paint and red paint, just go ahead and start to fill that in so it looks like it's bruised and bloodied and messed up. Get gory with it, guys. It's almost Halloween. Tomorrow is Halloween and I'm gonna have a special video for you guys tomorrow. I can't wait to show you. But Halloween is where you can be fun and creative, so have fun with it. And I hope you guys enjoy this one because it's really simple and easy. It's not complicated. It's not hard. So just have fun. That's all I can say is have fun with it. And then here you just want to create the holes for the twine to go through, and you just go ahead and pull it through. Now I would say maybe use a hole puncher for this because trying to use scissors to cut through this thing was a little complicated for me because I feel like I was ripping it more than anything. But maybe a hole puncher would be better, and smaller twine. So don't get this really thick one. Go with a smaller one. I wanted the smaller one, but when I bought it they didn't have it. So I had to get the thicker one, but I don't really like the thicker one. And then on both ends you just want to tie 2 knots. And then go in with your fake blood. Make it gory. This is actually a paint pod set that you can get at Walmart for a zombie kit. I use it more for gore than zombie because, you know, I find it a little bit easier to use that way. And then just go in with some fake scab blood. Any fake blood will do essentially, and just start putting it everywhere. The gorier the better. Oh, and when you do this, make sure you don't wear clothes that you really like, because I was wearing a shirt that I wear for work and I got liquid latex on it and blood, and I hope it comes out. Oops. And here I was using the scab blood to make it look chunky and gross. And then going in with the demon blood, just give yourself little drops of blood here and there. And make sure you flip your head back, because if you don't, those droplets will fall on you, and that's what happened there. And it was so aggravating. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video of my sewed shut mouth. And I I will catch you in my next video for tomorrow's grand Halloween idea. And if you haven't already, please join the cat family and subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, a comment below. If you comment, I will comment back. So please and thank you, and I will catch you guys in my next one.